What's going on, guys? Today I got something here. One Piece card game. So it's a tinfoil for the TCG. Bought from Toys R Us. Kind of liked it, so you guys want to see it. Nice. Yeah. I just bought this today. And I was thinking, hey, I just did another yesterday, so why not do another one today? So this is from Game Boost, card Game Boost, and these packs are really addicting to it. I don't know why, let's see what this is. Sabo. Southeast Asia trade. Yeah, so it is. Let's have the camera focus. It's a limited card, and I think this is one of those leader cards as well. Okay, moving on. We've got four packs. OP09. I'm gonna do a fast one. Why the hell not? So let's I cannot read that, but I know those are long screen members. Oh, I like this. It's not even long. Got my monkey. Got a gear 50. Giant stomp. Or giant whatever. Not bad. This one feels rather. Let's see what we get. Kinda sad we don't have that cards anymore. Kinda miss those. First we got from Sky Media. Shanks. And this is Soul. On to the next pack. Just put those there. See what we get. We got Buggy's Island, whatever. We got Beppo. We got Chopper. We got Phoenix. Oh, it's just MG. It's cool. And we got Donovan. Ooh. girlfriend won't be talking to you. She's a super SR, super rare. Okay, that's cool. And let's keep that later. Okay, now let's move on to the last pack. Let's see what we got here. Usopp, again, get a different one. I forgot this guy. He's a champion. The dude who drank the blood. This guy's from the Roger Pirates. Oh, we got Shanks. That's cool. We got Shanks. He's a Leonard. We got a Hollow Lucas. Oh, that seems to be good. I guess. Thanks for watching, guys. Maybe next time, I guess the next video will be a little bit later, but not this month though. I don't know when. Yeah, thanks for watching again, guys. See you later.